Now, dear student, today I discuss the chapter electric potential. In this chapter, I discuss the topic work done in rotating an electric dipole in an electric field. So here one word is here arise come here dipole. What do you mean by dipole? You know dipole, that means two equal and opposite charges are separated to twice the distance to each other. That arrangement is known as the dipole. I hope this is clear. And if a dipole plays in uniform electric field is rotated from its equilibrium position, work has to be done. Suppose at an instant dipole makes an angle alpha with the electric field E. Then the instantaneous couple acting on the dipole is itna. Suppose the electric field direction is this one, like here. Suppose this one, and dipole position is this one. So here that angle which are generated is alpha here, beta. Okay. Now so tau is equal to P sine alpha. So in this situation, suppose the dipole is moving with position from theta naught to theta. So in this situation, the total work done will be done. So work done is equal to alpha small one tau into d alpha. So dw is equal to P sine alpha d alpha. So now rotating, if a dipole rotating with angle theta naught to theta, then work done will be W is equal to theta naught to theta. So P sine alpha d alpha. Okay, clear? Now the work done will be itna beta. Now you can solve theta naught to theta. So first we take the constant P and limit theta naught to theta sine alpha d alpha. So first question arises here, what is the integration of sine alpha here? So you know, all of you know very well, the integration of sine alpha is minus cos alpha. All of you know this property. If you don't know, so you learn it. Okay, so W is equal to P sine alpha, in place of write minus cos alpha, limit theta naught to theta. So work done become P minus cos theta minus plus cos theta naught. So here one condition arises in this situation, the definite integral. So you know, if an integral, its limit is a to b and function is fx ds. Suppose its result integral will be capital F of x and limit is a to b. So how to solve? Now first we take the upper limit, that means in upper phase, and minus in formula, and then write on the lower limit. This is the rule second. This is rule first. Okay, I hope clear. So by using that method, you can write this one. If a dipole in equilibrium position, that is theta naught is 0 here. So work done become P minus cos theta plus cos 0. So W is equal to P 1 minus cos theta. This is the another property. Okay, any doubts? Clear? So work done will be P 1 minus cos theta. You know, close stop. So work done equal to this one. So it's now suppose three condition arises here, beta. Now take first condition. If theta is 0 means parallel, so work done is P 1 minus cos 0. So work done become P 1 minus cos 0, that is, you know, all of you know, you know 1. So work done become 0. So in this situation, work done will be 0. When the dipole in equilibrium position, then the work done is 0 if rotate. Now second, if theta is 90 degree, so work done become P1 minus cos 90 degree. So work done will be P, all of you know cos 90 is 0, so work done is equal to P. So this is the work done in the situation of 90 degree phase. Okay, now third and last case is here. If theta is pi 180 degree, so work done become P1 minus cos pi. So work done could become P1 minus cos pi value, cos pi is minus 1, so this become plus 1. So work done will be 2PE. This is the total work done of the dipole when moving anti-clock. That is the work done will be itna. Okay, now I hope that topic is clear. There are no doubts. Okay, thanks.